Welcome. In front of me is an Oukitel K13 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, tap on your SD card, and then you want to select the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you will find the Format option. So here just click on the Format button and this will bring up a window letting you know that formatting your SD card will remove everything from it. So if you keep any data on your card that you would like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise it will be lost permanently. Now, assuming you have already done this or you just simply don't want to back up anything, then select Format SD card. This will immediately begin the process, which only takes a couple of seconds and should be right about done. There we go. Once it's finished, click on Done and that's it. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.